Hey guys, Red here, Section 8 guy. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to every single one. You know I have something important to say if I bubble lettered, okay? Because you guys know I never do this, so this must be important, okay? One of the biggest mistakes I see with new investors, and they do this constantly, and it's the biggest hang up that they have, okay, is you got to avoid this mistake. Don't do it. If you do this, you are going to fail every single time. And I don't know why this is the biggest thing, but it is. New real estate investors have absolutely no confidence in themselves. And I don't know why. You guys have to stop not believing in yourself. This is something that you guys can do. You have to stop thinking this way. Stop being timid. There's a difference between being timid and being knowledgeable and having information, okay? Information is power. You guys can get the information. You can do your due diligence. You can find teams. You can find contracting teams, management companies, real estate agents, lawyers. You can find the right people. I give you guys everything you need on this channel, okay? If you need something deeper, look at my ebook. It's a 1,000-foot view of all this stuff. But guys, stop with the I can't do this. I've never done this, so I don't know how to do it. Blah, wah, wah. Stop. You can do this. I believe in you. I know you can do it. I've done it. I was in your shoes too. Everybody starts from nowhere. You're not born with 100 rental properties. You got to build it. You got to do it, right? One by one. You got to start somewhere. I get calls from you guys all the time, emails all the time that say, "Oh, I'm X years old and I've been looking at real estate for X amount of years." It's like, do it. You could have done it 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago. You're not that old. Start now. Guys, start now. Stop putting it off. Do it. If you need help, reach out to me. If you need help, do research online. If you need a kick in the butt, let me know, but I'll give it to you. Let's go. Stop doubting yourself. You don't doubt yourself in the other things that you do. You have confidence in other things that you do that you've never done before. It's okay. Go do it. Stop doubting yourself. It's the number one mistake, because what happens is if you doubt yourself, you never get started. It's the first mistake that you make. So if you're making this mistake over and over and over again, you're never going to own anything. You're never going to have a rental portfolio. You're never going to have a rental property. Stop making the same mistake over and over and over again. This is what happens, and I see it all the time. You guys will watch some videos, you'll read some literature, you'll be like, I can do this. I can do this. Let's go. And for that little bit of time, you're confident. And you go, okay, I'm going to start looking at properties. Or, okay, maybe I should start getting pre-approved. You guys start the process, then that doubt creeps in, and you stop. It's a mistake. It's the first mistake. It's the number one mistake, and it's the biggest mistake, because it allows you to never move forward, to never move past it. And I'm sorry if I'm coming off a little hard, but I want the best for you. I want you to succeed. I want you to achieve financial freedom. The only way to do it, guys, is by doing it, okay? Now, I'm sorry I'm passionate about it, but I want you guys to understand that this doesn't have to be the hardest thing ever, and it's not as scary as you think it is. Just go into it with knowledge, go into it with a good coach, go into it with someone that knows what they're doing, and do your due diligence, make your phone calls, check references always, okay? Make sure that you have the right people in your corner and that you've done things from our other videos as far as making sure that you're ready to do it, right? You have everything checked off on beforehand, and then you go full steam ahead and you don't look back. All right, guys? That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.